this is a simple 3-light setup video I want to show you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is thejoeydutch. Happy New Year, and let's just jump right into the video. I started with 2 lights initially, 1 light coming in from this direction like how it's hitting me. This particular one is a hard light source just because of the video. I used the 7-feet reverse parabolic to modify the lights just so I can have very soft lights coming in from the side. Okay, let's see from the top. Chin up a little bit and open your lips if you can. Okay, let me show you how it looks like.
That's cute.
Yeah, thank you. So this is good, right? But I would want your legs this way.
This way?
Yeah, just so you can, so more or less your legs are this way, then your upper body turn towards, yeah, you can do that. The one also works. I mean, so when you look at the pose, you can also fix it to your, yes. See how that one works. And don't forget to tiptoe all the time, right? Okay. And so this is where most of my light is coming from. Yes, you turn the head this way. Or we can figure it out. I can move. So chin up, yeah, great, keep it. Let's see. And I use the AD600 modified with a cone bouncing onto the walls of my ceiling just to give me the feel. So the key lights was the main 7-feet parabolic that was behind the backdrop to give me that side broad lighting look. Well, not really broad lighting look, a very big modifier coming in from the side. It was going to give me a very soft light. You know, big modifiers give very soft light with respect to the size of the subject you're shooting. And the other AD600 was filling in. I just wanted a little fill just so that I don't have very dark shadows. I also wanted this side of the set to, you know, open up so that when I'm editing in post, I'll be able to open up the shadows, then not to introduce noise. So that was mainly the light initially for today's shoot. I like the posture, looks very beautiful. Can you move the chair a little bit closer to? Yes, and send it back a little bit. Yes, great. So the whole setup, right, this and that is supposed to act like a wall, right? Yes. So if you end up interacting with them too, I'll be very glad. Can you move the lamp closer? Yeah, that's fine. Beautiful. Great. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Along the line, I introduced the third light source just so that I can have ample lights on the face and move away from the dramatic to a clean look, the ones we usually see online all the time. Perfect. Chin up for me a little bit. Chin up. I like the hair flips. Alright. Keep it for me. Perfect. Keep it. Beautiful, beautiful. Keep it, keep it. You see, I told you. You just have to figure it out, and that's it. Alright. I actually introduced an 85cm rice bowl beauty dish on an AD100. I think at 1/4 stop because the 2 lights were 600 watts and that particular light was 100 watts. I zoomed the flash towards 85mm just so it could focus on the face on the subject, and I graded it to avoid the spill of light all over the set. move the lights back and come. Yeah. So let's have Straighten your spine if you can. Chin up for me. Give me the 50. Okay. Chin up if you can. Yeah, just like that. Tiptoe the legs because I can see both of them. So one can actually lie here. Tiptoe the right one instead, not the left one. Yeah, just like that. Okay. So rest your hand on the table. Just the right one, yeah. And the left one on your thigh, just like that. Yeah. And more or less lean towards me. Yes, just like that. So I like the way your hand was on your tummy too, so we'll go there very soon. Okay. So hand on the tummy. Ooh, beautiful. Keep it. This was basically what I did in today's video. I hope you guys enjoy the behind the scenes, see what I do with respect to model direction, model poses, how I move about the lights, what I go through when it comes to setting up mood boards on Pinterest. I'm going to share the link to this particular mood board I did on Pinterest. You see where the initial direction came from and how we're able to execute it here. So anyone who was involved in this particular collaboration, I'm going to link down in the description box below. I also link down my web store. Kindly visit my web store. I'll probably use some of the products I'm selling there to edit these particular images. So kindly visit my web store, support the business as you guys have been supporting. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.